supposed to get now.
Yes! Big snapper, eh!
Baba mo. Baba natin.
Hit me in the face with the
Hook.
right.
Big one, eh?
Put them flat, Gary. So, oh, can you get the hook out?
Anong hook daw? Laki.
Kaya pala, Raymond, neighbor di ba?
It's too big.
Here. Look at that. Took to the last.
Yeah, last day. Oops.
Whoop. Now you're going to twist the hook to get it out. There you go. Down you go.
Get it?
Come on. Having a way.
Oh, tama. Big one.
Yeah. Yep, there we go.
Yeah. Oh, big one.
Yep.
What's that, Uncle Shark?
Yeah.
You got tangled. Tangled.
Wala siya.
Put it down.
It's tangled, Kel. Kel.
Higit na, kasi nag-ano na siya sa ilalim. Parang sabi ko, wala, sila siya. What? What happened?
He's been on there for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't believe you didn't know he was there.
Oh my goodness.
Huh?
He's ready to bite.
Yeah. Careful.
Hirap na. Sabi ko pala kung ano yun.
You know the other thing? He's already had another hook in him.
Oh. Two hooks?
Ano Nick?
Brad.
Ha? Oh, smart na. Takot ko yan. Pinapicture lang.
Video to. Dito ka, Kel.
Okay. I will let Mark do it because I'm scared.
Oh.
Dakutin mo, Brad, kung kano kalaki. Dangkal ba? Dangkal. Oo.
Meron pa naman yung ano yan eh. Kaya pinapatay.
Oh.
Kasi pag hindi mo patayin, makawa ka, madali pa yung amoy mo.
Dangkalin mo para makita natin gano'ng kalaki. Laki, oh.
Ay, pareho kasi mo.
Oh.
Hang on, Gary. Get him in a minute.
Check mo yung sayo, Kel, cause meron yan.
Ilan yun? Eh, ito.
Dangkalin mo.
Bitawan mo na yung ano. Ito.